right, what's up, gents? Where are we heading? No, we're not live.
Oh, okay.
No, I wouldn't put your ugly mug on live yet. So what are we doing?
Fix it in post. Getting ready, dude.
Okay, where are we heading?
Getting freaking ready.
Where are we
The
heading?
wilderness.
Oh boy, 4-day trip on the Paiute Trail, central Utah, I guess, kind of. Hitting a bunch of different, what is it, central Utah?
Yeah, central, sure.
Yeah, sure, something like that. So we've got Dustin's Ranger here, and Dustin's not here. Do you want to explain why, Dave?
Well, Can-Am decided they needed to make some modifications to my ride. Like
Sweet.
make it work.
Come with us. We're gonna go get ready tonight. We're gonna head out in the morning. We're gonna spend 3 or 4 days on the trail. Do a little bring you along with us type of deal. Won't be a ton of like fancy stuff in between. Just follow us along. Should be a good time. I'm stoked.
Probably
Yeah.
break it up into 3 or 4 videos.
Yeah, it'll be 3 or 4 videos.
Yeah, 3 or 4 video ride.
Forever young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue, there's a sarcasm waiting for you. I'm willing to trade my soul for a bit of your charm. There's no way I'll fade into oblivion, 'cause I'll keep shining over you all. And if your wings entwining, you better face the fall, keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. There's mud on the floor, disparate people trying to get through the door, although the room's already crowded. But I'll keep shining over you all, and if your wings entwining, you better face the fall, keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. Zeros, everybody's trying to be here.
All right, what's up, everybody? Here's what we're doing today. Here's the trail map. Here's Dave. Here's everybody else. I'm advertising for everything, so that's what I do.
Video is not sponsored by anyone.
Yeah, definitely not.
I have my hat on. My hair looks like this.
We're out here at a staging point near Kingston Canyon, which is a little section of the Paiute Trail. Dave's truck's growling at you. But yeah, we're planning on going from Kingston right here up to, we're going to come around and go to Otter Creek Reservoir, which should be pretty fun. And then camp back up here in this area. That's it for day one. We're about to get on the trail. So yeah, here we go. We're going to get staged and then we'll take it from there.
You better face the fall. Zero. Everybody's trying to be heroes when all they have to say to be okay is I don't know. Are you okay? I'm not that
Got everything loaded here. Ready to go on our 4-day trip.
Yeah, buddy.
Hi, Joe.
Six enough for 4 guys
Realized
for 26 days.
6-seater with a big bed is almost not enough to fit
for
everything.
4 dudes
So,
for 3 nights.
for 4 dudes, 3 nights.
Seems excessive, but
hey, at least
we'll
we're
find out.
prepared. So if we get
Yeah.
stranded somehow, we're good, right?
yeah.
So, anyways, ready to hit the trail after our staging area and
buddy.
get after it for the next few days. You ready for this, Dave?
Yeah, dude.
All right.
Tell
Time for a little lunch action.
Yeah, it looks like I need lunch, but yeah, I am starving.
We all feel that way there, dude. Putting the DRONE down.
What the frick are you eating?
Dude,
Tyler, show the camera that, dude. What is that?
it's
Sausage.
pudding sausage, dude.
Oh my god!
You put the sausage in the pudding
So,
and the pudding mix.
That's that show that's like, dude, I could hear you getting fatter.
dude, that's what happens when you forget to bring a spoon. You get to use sausage for a
Uh-huh.
spoon. So,
Sausage pudding.
Freaking gross.
the drone catch.
Oh,
Look at that, dude. Looks like you've done that before, Dave. Little snack action. What are these?
Sour Patch strawberry ones.
One of
They're
those.
actually pretty good.
Not a bad lunch.
You're a freaking candy monster, Joe.
He
That's
is.
one thing I've learned, dude.
I survive off
Always
candy.
survived off candy.
My body is probably 30% sugar at this point.
You know what?
You're
That's
still
always
looking at
been
yourself, dude. You know
It
that?
has been too,
Yeah.
dude.
It's on this camera. Dave, hold this so I can show the people
How to eat
how to
snack
properly eat
pack,
a snack pack.
a fat style.
Since Tyler ate a sausage one.
I usually bring a spoon.
Put a lip in that big. I don't even do this when I have a spoon, dude. This is just the way
Is
to
this
eat a
yours,
snack
Joe?
pack. Yeah. Open it up that much. Put it in your hand like that. Squeeze it.
It's like a keg, dude.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, dude. That's how you eat a snack pack properly.
I think I just filled a raindrop.
Not with the sausage stick. Right? It'd be nice, man. Bring the dust down.
That would be great.
YouTube, you're welcome.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Rising through the ashes and I'm crossing the waters, breaking all the limits that I'm pushing it harder, striking every match, light it up.
Give it the full send into the lake. There's a go, dude. Right now. It's asphalt, dude. Oh, that's awesome, dude. I thought it was like sand, but that sucker is asphalt. Here we are, stop 2. Otter Creek Reservoir in the background. It's not, I mean, I hear there's really good fishing out there, but I don't know about shore fishing, and it kind of looks like the ocean with all the waves going on out there right now. So, not the prettiest lake I ever seen, kind of in this grassy valley here. So,
It's like pure asphalt.
yeah, it's a good time.
No.
What are you waiting for? Get up and get it done. What are you waiting for? The journey's just begun.
Back to the Paiute. I'm gonna go find a place to camp. Freaking yahoos.
We're going that way.
Are we going right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going right.
Get out of the shock.
For me, all the stuff that was said has been wasted. So many times my trust I've contained, lined up excuses, it's all getting gated. Leaves me with a bad taste in my mouth. What are you waiting for? Get up and get it done. What are you waiting for? The journey's just begun. What are you waiting for?
here we are, campsite 1. We're by Upper Box Creek Reservoir. It's kind of, we think we find a better spot. Not a ton of firewood here, not a ton of like level ground. So we're gonna go up and see if we can find another spot. So spot 1 ain't gonna work, let's find spot 2. We have found the spot. 360 degrees of
ugliness over there.
360 degrees of aspens.
I mean,
So
if
this is
you
gonna
guys
be a
want
good
to
spot.
drive down there real quick, looks like another
Down there, yeah.
Good place to be right here.
we have shade all day. So what side?
I'll take it.
Oh, that's a good question.
Dude,
Everyone gives
is your face always that dirty or just today?
Just today, dude.
Nice.
I got pretty dirty, dude.
Yeah.
I should have worn that mask, dude.
It's all good, bro. Dust is good for you. Well, put that shiz in park, dude. Maybe not on the road, though.
Got Dave getting the 10 up.
I don't know.
I have one, Joe. Remember when you said, go get that lighter? Yeah. Well, I got it. You got it anyway?
Basically 360 of trees. Keep us out of most of the sun. Is that a GoPro set up for you, Dave?
Yeah, it's doing a time-lapse video of this.
Nice. I think I'm filming so I don't have to work.
Check this saw out. Walmart. $10. Best $10 I ever spent. Freaking sawing logs over here, dude.
The best part is we have an employee to do it for us.
Government just
Not taking care of him.
Dude, let me see how far you're getting through that sucker.
Dude, I'm almost through it, dude.
Dude, look at that thing, man. It's freaking awesome. I'm gonna get a couple of those for when the world ends.
Dude, seriously.
You know?
Or you need to chop like a zombie's head off, dude. Just saw through it with this sucker.
Freaking awesome.
You're almost 1 minute in.
I think it's.
So what are these called, Joe? Campfire tacos?
Street tacos.
Street tacos. There you go, man. We're not on the street, but they're tacos.
Yeah, buddy. Serving up street tacos in the middle of the forest.
Yeah, man.
Doing it
Kitchen
right.
set up.
Good.
Oh, we're still up.
You can grab your own there, dudes. Unless you want me to serve it up for you. You guys doing okay over there or what?
Yeah, dude. Just chilling, man.
Just chilling like a
Drinking my
villain.
Mountain Dew.
Yeah, you
Or
having
my
fun
Dr.
chewing
Pepper.
on David's farts? Or?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Freaking reams.
Joe fed me.
Could you-
Eating all over again, dude.
Joe fed me. I gave him my dietary restrictions. No fiber.
It's like
Too much
freaking all
fiber.
you can buffet over here, dude. Freaking.
I have to have a very bland diet.
You're welcome for the tacos.
Tacos were too spicy.
I may sleep in the hammock tonight. So,
Gosh,
good times.
is it just when you move your butt or something? It
I only
comes out
farted the
some
one
more?
time.
it like a little hit there. And
Just lingers in your nose hairs, dude.
Gross.
As soon as he moves around, shifts his body. Oh, geez.
Maybe I pooped my pants. I don't know.
Maybe you did.
I haven't moved, so I don't know.
Oh, good times, gents. Good times. So here we are at the end of day 1. Good times so far. Saw some cool stuff. Had some good times. Any thoughts, gentlemen?
No, just ready to hit the trails tomorrow. See where we're gonna end up.
Tell you what though, this is what it's all about right here.
Check out that fire.
Yeah.
Going cool places, sitting by cool fires, BSing about cool things.
And like perfect weather, man.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Not even blowing at all.
No.
The weather is ridiculous.
I thought it was
Camp
gonna be
spot is
cool.
ridiculous. It's a good time. So that's it for day one. I guess we'll see you on the next one.
Forever young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue, there's a sarcasm waiting for